Hello everyone, the iTunes family back here again. Today I'm going to be unboxing this GSM iPhone 4 that I bought off of eBay for $36.95 of its original box. And the reason why I bought a GSM one, you might be wondering why I bought a GSM one when I already have two 4s right here. This one runs iOS 6 and this one runs iOS 7. Well, these are both CDMA versions, and you might be thinking, well, why would I care if I'm not going to be using these on network? Well, these were released a few months after the first iteration of the iPhone 4, which is the GSMs, meaning that they have patched up certain exploits that benefits people when it's new. When these were new, this doesn't exactly benefit people afterwards because this one is already running iOS 6 on downgrade, but with the CDMA 4s, there's no way to downgrade below 6.1.3, and it'd be really. I even tried downgrading this one to iOS 6, which didn't work on Tethered way. And you can downgrade these Tethered to iOS 5, but Tethered downgrades are really irritating to work around. So I'm going to be unboxing the actual box because in case I wound up getting scammed, I want to have video evidence of the scam happening. So let's just go ahead and let's just dive into the package. You're assuming that I can open a box. I know I'm not probably being the safest of scissors, but I'm not an expert when it comes to scissors, so okay, so there we go. So we have the actual box. Now let's just kind of tear this open, because why not tear it open? And I'm almost there. Box says until we have all sorts of paper. We have the description. We don't need this. And last but not least, we have the true star of the show, the GSM iPhone 4. Looks like it's what I got from the photos, so this looks like what I ordered so far, which is always nice to see. So and there we go, we get the actual star of the show, which is unbelievably cold. So as you can tell, we just get basic box info. As you can tell, this is indeed a GSM one, and then we get the iOS 4 revision logo. So, oh wow, this 4 is nice. So it appears that there's no cradle for this anymore. Let's just go. Oh, this thing is already turned on. Well, while I'm at it, I'm just going to check basic functions like the camera. Camera looks good. Now I'm going to check for other stuff while I'm at it, such as iCloud. No iCloud, that's good. As Intel is just running 7.1.2 as I expected. And I'll do some more testing later on in the video, but first up we have manuals and such. So let's go ahead and open up this very chilly manual. Stuff. So as you can tell, we get the old school fingertips. I have a 3GS box that doesn't have one of these, so it's nice to have an old school one of these, just because look at how much more detailed these were. No Apple stickers, of course, nor a SIM ejector tool. It's a little bit ripped, but oh well. And then let's see what else is in the box. As you can tell, you get a screen protector. So let's just go ahead and let's actually install this on my 4 just to keep the screen pristine. So just go ahead and so that is just the dud kind of thing, and then this is the real one. So let's see if the screen protector is actually going to be good. And as you can tell, there's no more accessories in the box. So let's just see if this is any good actually. And as you can tell, it's got all sorts of bubbles, but it looks good. So I'm going to get my MacBook out to check the battery health in this thing, and then I'll go log on to Wi-Fi just to see whether this thing will need any repairs or not in terms of things like that. Let's actually test out the buttons. Home button looks good. Power button looks good. Takes a couple of tries for the power button to go, that's okay. Volume button works fine. Mute switch works fine. Let's check out the speakers. Let's actually record something in the camera app. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. So we'll get a test of the speakers and microphone. 1 2, testing 1 2. Yep, that looks good. Let's actually test out the speakers just to see if they're distorted, because that's a common issue with these. Sounds a little distorted, but overall it's okay. So now we'll go ahead and connect this thing to Wi-Fi and check the battery health. As you can tell, my 4 is connected to my MacBook just fine. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into the Launchpad, and then we're going to find where Coconut battery is located. Well, did I delete Coconut battery? Okay, I'm going to have to go download it. So I'll get back to you once I've downloaded Coconut battery. As you can tell, this is overall the battery behavior. So now I'm going to see iOS device. So as you can tell, I'm actually just going to, as you can tell, it was manufactured in August 2010, but, so, let me turn the battery percentage on this phone just to make sure it isn't actually at 32%, and that's just the battery percentage, not the actual health. So, as you can tell, it seems that I can't tell specifically, but it appears that the cycle count is 272, so I'm going to guess that is a good battery. But the last function I'm going to test out on this phone is the touchscreen, so just by doing this. Touchscreen is a little sluggish, but that might just be software related, and yeah, so overall I got a pretty good deal. I don't think I'm going to be returning this phone, and thank you guys for watching this video, and please like this video if you want to see more of it, and more of this type of content, and I will be downgrading this to iOS 4, by the way, so get excited for a video about that, and as always, peace out.